It's Patrick at Pals, 52 Ford. We're putting steering and suspension on it. Jack and Jim, tell us what you did to get these kingpins in the suspension.
Well, you have to ream the bearings after you put them in so that you can get your kingpin in.
Well, now what is a kingpin, Jack? What does that do? What
that holds your spindle in place so it doesn't fall off.
So there's a pin inside of here called a kingpin.
Yes, sir.
And what do they ride in? Is there some type of bearing that it rides in?
There's a brass bushing.
A brass bushing.
Here and here. You have a bearing here, washers here.
What keeps it from falling out?
This pin right here.
There's a pin right there. Okay. So you have to have strict tolerances, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And here is your old kingpin.
Okay, so that groove is where the pin goes in to hold it. And that holds it.
Yes, sir.
And the tolerances have to be tight on that steel shaft or you get a wobble on the wheel, right?
Exactly.
Okay. If you've got a 52 Ford and it needs new kingpins, bring it to Pals. Jack will install them in no time flat. See you soon.